This message is being broadcast by the Department of Defense of the Republic. At 2 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, multiple unidentified objects were confirmed to have entered Earth's atmosphere. It is speculated that these objects are of extraterrestrial origin. The broadcast will quiet at this time for your safety. Continue to carry out the following instructions.
This message is being broadcast at the request of your local police department. A civil danger warning has been issued for your area until further notice. Please listen carefully to the contents of this message. There have been multiple reports of highly dangerous anomalies in your area. These anomalies are described as tall, humanoid figures that are approximately 9 feet tall, and have very long arms, legs, and fingers. They have no facial features other than a large mouth with many sharp teeth. The anomalies attack when the victim is in a large open area, such as a road or a field. They can also appear outside of windows and doors, if the victim is indoors. The anomaly appears approximately 150 to 200 feet away from the victim. After they appear, they will let out a piercing screech that only the victim can hear. The anomaly will keep screeching for 20 seconds and then attack. After the anomaly is done screeching, it will chase the victim. If you see one of these anomalies, or hear a demonic screech, you must run away from them as fast as you can. Run for approximately 2 minutes, and then hide behind a large object. If you have escaped, you will hear another screech that is approximately 10 seconds long, and then the anomaly will leave. If you cannot find an object to hide behind, keep running until you hear another screech. It is unknown how long these anomalies will be in the area, or if they attack a victim multiple times. The anomalies can attack at any time. Make sure you have a method of escape at all times. Your local law enforcement is attempting to eliminate